Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn JavaScript from the beginning. This is the first video of the JavaScript Fundamentals series. Today we will talk about what JavaScript is, why we use JavaScript, and some basic concepts like variable, data types, operators, comments, and console.log. So if you are new to programming, don't worry, let's start. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language. It is used to make website interactive. With JavaScript, we can do things like when a user click a button, show a message, check a form, or change content on the page. JavaScript runs directly inside the web browser. Why do you use JavaScript? We use JavaScript because it makes website dynamic. Without JavaScript, website would be mostly static. JavaScript works in all model browsers. It is used in frontend, backend, mobile application, and many other places. That's why JavaScript is one of the most popular language in the world. Now let's talk about variable. Variables are used to store values. In JavaScript, we create variables using var, let, and const. Let me show you an example. Var is the old way and is not used much now. Let is used when the value can change. Const is used when the value should not change. For example, this is allowed, but if we try to change a const, it will give an error. Data types. JavaScript has different data types. Let's look at the main one. This is a number. This is a string. This is a boolean, which means true or false. Null means empty. This is undefined because no value is assigned. This is a symbol. This is a big int used for very large numbers. Operators. Operators are used to perform actions. First, arithmetic operators. Next, comparison operators. Double equal checks only the value. Triple equal check both value and type. Always try to use triple equal. Now, logical operators. Type quotient. Type quotient means JavaScript automatically changes data types. For example, this becomes string, but this becomes number. This can be confusing. That's why using triple equal is important. Comments. Comments are used to explain code. JavaScript ignores comments. Console and console.log. The console is used to see output and debug code. We use console.log to print something. To open the console, right-click on the page, click Inspect and open the console tab. That's it for this video. This was a basic introduction to JavaScript. In the next video, we will learn more JavaScript concepts step by step. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with others. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.